search for the light. I made my decision.